8486. How many of these seals are used with petroleum-based hydraulic fluids? A. Natural rubber, ethylene propylene. B. Neoprene, Buna-N. C. Natural rubber, butyl rubber. The correct answer is B. Synthetic rubber seals, such as neoprene and Buna-N, are commonly used with hydraulic systems that utilize petroleum-based hydraulic fluid. These synthetic rubber materials provide effective sealing properties and compatibility with petroleum-based fluids, ensuring reliable performance and fluid containment within the system. 8487. Hydraulic system thermal relief valves are set to open at A. Lower pressure than the system relief valve. B. Higher pressure than the system relief valve. C. Lower pressure than the system pressure regulator. The correct answer is B. Hydraulic system thermal relief valves are set to open at a higher pressure than the system relief valve. This is because thermal relief valves are designed to protect the system from pressure buildup caused by thermal expansion of the hydraulic fluid, which can occur at higher temperatures. The thermal relief valve is typically set to open at a higher pressure than the system relief valve to prevent false activation and to ensure that the system relief valve is the primary pressure limiting device in normal operation. 8488. Chatter in a hydraulic system is caused by A. Excessive system pressure. B. Insufficient system pressure. C. Air in the system. The correct answer is C. Chatter in a hydraulic system is often attributed to the presence of air within the fluid being circulated by the pump. As the air bubbles travel through the system, they can cause intermittent flow disruptions and fluctuations in pressure, resulting in the characteristic chattering sound. To mitigate this issue, it is important to ensure proper bleeding and purging of air from the hydraulic system to maintain smooth and consistent fluid flow. 8489. If hydraulic fluid is released when the air valve core of the accumulator is depressed, it is evidence of A. Excessive accumulator air pressure. B. A leaking check valve. C. A ruptured diaphragm or leaking seals. The correct answer is C. When the air valve core of an accumulator is depressed, it allows the gas in the accumulator to vent. If hydraulic fluid is released when the air valve core is depressed, it is evidence of a ruptured diaphragm or leaking seals, as the hydraulic fluid should not be in contact with the gas side of the accumulator. Therefore, the correct option is C. 8490. Although dents in the heel of a bend are not permissible, they are acceptable in the remainder of the hydraulic tube providing they are less than what percent of the tube diameter? A. 5%. B. 10%. C. 20%. The correct answer is C. Dents occurring in the heel of a bend in hydraulic tubing are considered unacceptable. However, in other sections of the tubing, dents with a depth less than 20% of the tube diameter are generally considered acceptable. It is important to ensure that the integrity and structural strength of the tubing are not compromised by excessive dents, particularly in critical areas of the hydraulic system. Regular inspection and maintenance of the tubing can help identify and address any dents or deformations that may affect its performance.